What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? Spin Daddy 28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo of a 200-gram cake called Lumen. And this is a 24-shot cake, and I believe it's by Hardcore Pyro. Yes, it is, Hardcore Pyro. And we also got a barcode scanner here if you guys want to see the product demo for this cake. We also got some photos of the effects. Some more nice artwork. And oh, here we go. All right, so you got the description over here. We got illuminate the night sky with this 24-shot beauty. Breathtaking cyan, purple, and lemon peonies are shot in a W formation, followed by luminescent silver and red strobes to blue stars that break with huge silver strobing mines. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this demo. I think there's enough more artwork on top here. There it is. And it's supposed to be pointed in that direction. So this is how it should be facing the audience. So you'll see this side of the cake facing the audience. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this demo. And let me know what you think. Alright, we got Lumen by Hardcore Pyro. Nice. Not bad.